How to hide friend list on Facebook Lite. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily hide your friend list on Facebook Lite. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. First thing you have to do is open up your Facebook Lite app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, all you have to do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. It will take you to your menu section. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and simply head over to your Settings menu. Once you land on your Settings page, scroll down a bit until you find Audience and Visibility. So once you get here, you'll find this option right here, how people can find and contact you. If you don't see it, you can always search for it. So just search for how people can find or contact you, and you will find the settings. But if you don't see it, you will have to search for it on your settings. It will be right here. And once you get here, you have an option who can see your friend list. Just tap on it. And right now, if it is set to public like this, all you have to do is tap on only me and then save it. Once you do that, only you will be able to see your friend list, and none of your Facebook friends or anyone from your public view cannot be able to see your friend list. So that's it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.